Today we are going to do a powerful bicep workout that will make your arm strong and defined. Before you start your workout, do a 5-minute warm-up and rotation and light stretch. Exercise number 1 is bar curl. While performing the EZ bar curl, the bar is held at a shoulder with grip. Lifted slowly upward and then to lower down with control. This exercise works not only the bicep but also the forearm. When performed with correct posture and moderate weight, it helps increase both muscle strength and size. Exercise number 2. Alternate hammer curl. While performing alternate curl, you can stand upright or sit on a bench and lift the dumbbell slowly with one hand until the biceps are fully concentrated. Then lower it down with control. After that, the same movement is separated with the other hand. The exercise helps improve strength, size and shape of the bicep and also enhance arm. Exercise number 3. Alternate dumbbell curl. This exercise can be performed while standing or sitting on a bench. The dumbbell is lifted slowly until the biceps are fully controlled and then lowered down with control. Alternate dumbbell curl help improve the strength, size and shape of the bicep. It also enhance forearm and grip strength. Exercise number 4. Concentration curl. Concentration curl is an effective isolation exercise that focuses more on the bicep muscle. The exercise is unusual, performed using a dumbbell and is that while sitting on a bench, which help reduce body movement and place maximum pressure on the bicep. Exercise number 5. Incline curl. Incline curl is an effective bicep exercise that focuses more on the upper arm muscle, especially the long head of the bicep. The exercise is performed using an inclined bench and dumbbell, which provide a greater stretch to the bicep and improve muscle inhibition. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight.